In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Perplexity with your Gmail and automate those tedious tasks that we all wish we didn't have to handle manually. Let's dive right in and set up this time-saving integration. First, you'll want to head over to your preferred browser and go to Google. Once there, type in Perplexity into the search bar. After pressing enter, you'll see a list of results, and you want to click on the official Perplexity website from these search results. Navigating to the website, look towards the top right corner, and you'll notice a profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage your account settings. Once you're in your profile, look for and select the Connectors option. This section will allow you to add the necessary connections to your Gmail and Google Calendar. You'll see options for Gmail and Google Calendar. Make sure to click Enable on both so they're ready to be connected. Next, locate the Add Connector button and give it a click. This step opens up a new window where you can start linking your Gmail account. Selecting your email will redirect you to Google's authentication process. You'll need to grant permission for Perplexity to access your Gmail account. It's a standard procedure for integrations like these. When prompted, click Continue to proceed through the permissions pages. Be assured, this step is simply allowing Perplexity to help you automate some of the Gmail tasks. Safety and privacy checks are in place, as always. On the permissions page, you will see options, and it's easiest to click Select All. This ensures that all the necessary permissions are granted for proper functionality. After that, simply click Continue. Now that everything is all set up, it's time to test out how Perplexity can streamline your tasks. Head back over to Perplexity, and you'll want to start by creating a new thread. Within this new thread, enter a prompt to check if everything is connected seamlessly. For example, you might say, "Hey, can you check my Gmail and find messages from Grammarly?" This prompt is a practical demonstration of Perplexity doing the work for you. Finally, hit the Submit button and watch Perplexity go to work. You should see it accessing your Gmail, finding those messages, and retrieving the information or performing tasks based on your prompt. There you have it, folks. A smooth transition into automating those mundane tasks that take up your valuable time. With Perplexity connected to your Gmail, you can streamline workflows, focus on what matters, and reclaim some of that precious time back into your day. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you work smarter, not harder.